The bench for matter.
How can that be? Because the senior most, there is no benches today. You make a mention before Justice Soike. If it comes before me, I'll do it.
I am having a tender matter, which is assigned to your lord.
We have told.
There is nothing here because there are three benches. Senior most bench should be the main bench. Kindly make a mention before Justice.
Tender has been assigned to your lordship, lord.
Petitions are listed before lordship.
Writ petitions regarding tender.
Subject to procedure. Lintu Gogoi.
Oh, my lord.
Kekuli Kibami. Call it.
One and two, my lord. Together, my lord, if a lordship pleases, my lord, item number 2 may be taken at first, my lord.
If there was so much of urgency in the matter, why 2 dates adjournments were taken?
My lord, actually what happened, my lord, there are 4 or 5 cases, my lord, against him, my lord. And today is, my lord, 60 days insofar as item number 2 is concerned. My lord, section, my lord,
Charge sheet not filed.
charge sheet not filed, my lord. One,
My lord, I have to take instruction because maybe
Lata Hill, Lata.
But even if I release you in item number 2, you will still be behind.
And I, no, my lord, so now if a
There is no other case against this man, Dharmeshwar Roy only.
yes, my lord, then
You will be still inside because of the other one.
yes, my lord. Actually, my lord, I'm not on merit of the case, my lord. My lord, if your lordship goes to see, my lord, page, my lord, 27, my lord, of item number 1, my lord. Page 27 of item number 1, my lord. Lordship will see, my lord, last
Item number 1.
item number 1, my lord. I'm traveling, your lordship. Lordship will see, my lord, last line, my lord. Features are suggestive of left inguinal hernia, my lord.
But the top portion, it says
Yes.
that whenever it is maneuvered, it reduces.
Yes, my lord. But the latest, my lord, even there. Yeah. Yes. Lordship, I kindly have a look, my lord.
Because he seems to be a very he's a repeated offender. There are
My
many
lord, in
cases.
fact, if your lordship sees, my lord, all are, my lord, civil in nature, my lord.
There is a cheating angle involved.
Yes, my lord, that's true, my lord. Now your lordship will see, my lord, 1, 2, 3, 4th line, my lord. Cited, my lord, so and so, tension-free mesh hermioplasty, my lord, and essay, my lord,
On 1910.
on 1910, my lord.
Let them do that.
My lord, I want to do it privately, my lord. So, my lord, I am not on merit of the case, my lord. I want only interim, my lord, for 3 weeks, my lord. That much, my lord.
You have your instructions. We'll have it on Monday. You have your instructions.
For the other case, my lord, today is
60 days, but the granting bail in that would be also of no use. I can't release you. It will only be a technical thing.
Yes, my lord.
If we pass the order on Monday, it will not make any difference.
Only one point, my lord, to be fair enough, my lord. I'm not item number 2, my lord. My lord, the sections which have been inserted, my lord, 61(2)(a), my lord, and 3184, my lord. One section is there, my lord, 111(2), my lord. The 111(2), my lord, it says, my lord, it is of 90 days, my lord. So 111(2) is whether it is applicable in this case or not.
We'll see.
My lord, that point has to be, my lord,
Because
clarified.
there is a section available which punishment is more than 10 years, 90 days.
90 days, my lord. 111, my lord. The PP should also, my lord, clarify on the next date, my lord. That much, my lord.
okay, my lord.
Because, my lord, it says, my lord.
Heard Mr. NJ Dr. Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Item number 1 out, huh? The present application under section 483 BNSS 2023 has been instituted praying for grant of regular bail to the petitioner, who is languishing who is in detention since 1/9/2025, in connection with Dispur Police Station case number 479/2025 under section 319 bracketed 2 318 bracketed 4 316 bracketed 2 of BNS 2023. Also issue notice.
What a case, I
Call for the case diary. Also heard
E. Sharma.
Addition P. Sharma, additional PP. So, Mr. Sharma shall on the next date of listing place the case diary. Scan copy will do.
My lord, if not succeeded, my lord, case diary will come, my lord.
A case diary shall produce a scan copy of the case diary. So, list this matter again on Monday.
Only my submission, my lord. I'm seeking bail on medical ground, my lord.
We will see on Monday.
My lord.
On Monday? Mr. Sharma, on Monday?
My lord.
Monday. Humbar. Second case to AK. I heard Mr. NJ Dr. So and so. Arising out of Latasil application, the petition by application under section 433 of Bharati BNSS 2023 for grant of regular bail to the petitioner, who was shown arrested on 11/8/2025, in connection with Latasil Police Station case number 54/2025, under section 61 bracketed 2 bracketed A /318 bracketed 4 of BNS 2023, read with section 111 bracketed 2 of BNS 2023, as well as added sections 25 bracketed 1 bracketed A /25 bracketed 1-A of the Arms Act. Baki eke thakibo Sombare. Monday.
Monday, my lord. And my lord, better to have it on my lord Tuesday, my lord.
Tuesday.
My lord. Otherwise, they will also.
Mr. Doctor is experienced in that line this side.
Otherwise, my lord, technically, my lord, we
You are entitled, but I'm
Entitled.
only restraining myself because
yes, my lord.
it'll be of no use.
And one more thing, my lord, if all cases are shown arrest. So in the fast forwarding, they have the duty of the prosecution is to show how many number of cases pending against me. That they have not done, my lord.
We'll see. We'll consider.
I'm obliged. But can I take back the medical?
Please, medical.
I'm obliged.
Happy with Lordship.
Get up.
But in this case, my lord, he arrested on 4/8/2025.
Yes, Mr. Bhuyan.
Lordship, these three petitioners were the employee of Onil Das Construction Work, and they were arrested on 24/8/2025 for 45 days behind the bar, my lord. The FIR, Lordship, will find at page 9. There, my lord, allegation, my lord, one
I'll give it to you.
brother of the informant.
Yes, Mr. Bhuyan.
Lordship, FIR, my lord, page 9.
We have seen it.
My lord, they were the employee, and this person, Aftab Ahmed, came to the place of occurrence of the construction work and has taken some wood.
That
And
is your case projected.
I have narrated, my lord, the ground, my lord, that is page. So you will find
Yes, Mr. Sharma.
Case diary, my lord.
paragraph 4.
So, my lord, kindly have a look at the forwarding, my lord, page 14.
They jumped to the river when I proceeded.
Amingaon, Tuesday.
Fine.
But Mr. K. Bhuyan, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, also Mr. B. Sharma, Learned Additional Public Prosecutor. The present application instituted under section 483 BNSS 6 seeking release of the petitioner on regular bail, comma. But it's seeking release of the petitioner, comma, on regular bail in connection with Saigon case number 251/2025 under section 109/117 bracketed 2/3 bracketed 5 silo verba of BNS 2023. Also, petitioner is under detention, is in detention since 24/8/2025. Issue notice, call for the case diary. Registered to list this matter again on Tuesday. Also, Mr. B. Sharma shall furnish a scanned copy of the case diary on the next returnable date. Shall produce a scanned copy of the case diary.
Along with because
Medical report in what connection?
was
Some attack, my lord, alleged.
was also injured.
That will be there in the,
Whether-
that will be, it's a
whether
minor,
he-
it's not a
Whether
very,
he is alive or already died, that also.
that we will get it.
Obliged, Lordship.
It will look to me, Dada.
Or my lord, as per our instruction, my lord, case, no case is registered against him, my lord. He is a habitual offender in the car lifting, my lord, that's why some apprehension.
So
I'm the registered owner of a particular vehicle. Lord.
I got
Fine.
it, but he says that you are not connected in this matter.
Yes, ma'am.
Then what is the apprehension?
On the other hand, saying, Lord, I am a habitual apprehension.
No, 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 my lord, in this
In this connection, maybe in
Yes.
some other case, but
May-
here
yeah,
he
maybe
says
some
that-
other case.
So, Mr.
But
B.
my
Sharma,
my vehicle has been, Lord, detained
that you go and file a JIMMA application.
without seizure list, my Lord.
You go and file a JIMMA application. This is only for bail, and that too without a FIR.
My Lord.
And that's why this court had required him to receive instructions. Instruction is nothing is there, withdraw it. Mr. B. Sharma, learned additional public prosecutor in terms of the directions passed by this court on wide order dated 8/10/2025, has submitted on instructions that there is that there is no case registered against the petitioner with regard to cattle theft of cattle. Also, in view of the above submissions made by Mr. B. Sharma, Mr. M.U. Mondal, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that he be permitted to withdraw the present writ petition. Also, accordingly, the present writ petition and bail application stands dismissed on withdrawal.
Obliged.
Yes, madam, what is this? What happened to his application for extension, for renewal?
On 31/3/2020,
That's why he filed an application for renewal. That is permissible.
report of the
And only for the fact that his shop was closed for some time, will it be a ground to?
I have to go. So
Mr. Hazarika, this order is of 38.
Yes, let's see.
The PDS beneficiaries are getting it from some other shop.
Yes, let's see.
So we will not disturb that arrangement. We'll give a short date, let her receive an
We
instruction.
submitted the Salan also for renewal of,
I have seen it.
let's see.
So she will get her instructions.
Come on, leave the petitioner.
I know
Kindly
that,
not-
but
not-
for me, more than you, it's the PDS beneficiaries. They're getting it from some other shop for a month. If I now stay this order, they will be put to trouble. Because it will take time for you to get the PDS articles back to you.
That's my humble submission. The nearest shop, it is not nearest shop.
Be
All
that
the
as it
is
may,
more
be
than
that as it may, be that as it may. Next date, we will see that.
But
But Mr. N.M. Hazarika, learned counsel for the petitioner, also heard Mr. Miss D. Das Borman, learned additional advocate, additional senior government advocate, appearing for the state,
all right.
appearing for the additional senior government advocate. Also, issue notice, returnable. Madam, when can you get your instructions? 2 weeks. Returnable 2 weeks. Full stop. Ms. D. Das Borman accepts a notice on behalf of all the respondents? On behalf of all the respondents, no formal notice need be issued. However, Learned Counsel for the petitioner shall furnish requisite copies of the writ petition to the learned additional senior government advocate appearing for the respondents. Also, on the returnable date, Ms. E. Das Bormon shall shall receive instructions as to the status of the application submitted by the petitioner for renewal of a PDS license. Also, further orders as may be called for shall be issued on the next reasonable date after hearing the Learned Counsel for the respondents.
Petitioner, she's a 75 years old widow was
What
getting-
is this happening? It seems to be a issue created by your PNB, not the.
PNB, my lord. They are formal parties. My lord, what happened on 24th,
And I got it. They asked you to open a separate account.
separate account, they have done.
And maybe that's some operation. Now they want a clarification
From the-
further. That is not called for. Can you do one thing?
My lord.
Because this thing is pending from April.
April. Now, my lord, what happened on 24th, I have served a copy of this petition, 24th, my lord, September, to the Standing Council PNB. On 26th, my lord, the branch manager, she called the petitioner. He said that you have moved to the High Court. So you do the petition. We are giving you the pension today itself.
Given.
Given. But why she is unnecessarily harassed, my lord? That is the question, my lord. For 6 months, that is why, my lord.
It happens sometimes.
No, my lord. The
Now,
unnecessary-
do
she
you
was
want,
forced to move
do you
to the
want,
AG office
do you want to move,
for compensation. That is there.
heard
Yes.
Mr. J.C. Gogoi, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Also, issue notice. Also, issue notice to the respondent number 4,
Right.
5, and 6 at this stage. Only at this stage. Full stop. Mr. Gogoi, Learned Counsel for the petitioner submits that on a copy of the present writ petition being served upon the branch manager, Punjab National Bank.
No, Standing Council, there is.
Being served being served upon the Standing Council, Punjab National Bank
24/9/2025.
on 24/9/2025, the branch manager, Punjab National Bank,
Not looking for branch.
senior manager,
Senior manager.
Punjab National Bank, not Lakhimpur branch, has released the pending pension, has deposited the family pension amount, the pending,
Pending.
the areas of the family pension amount in the account of the petitioner. First, he submits that the petitioner has been unnecessarily harassed on account of withholding of her family pension without there being any rhyme or reason for the same. So accordingly, he submits that he is entitled to, accordingly, he submits that the petitioner is entitled to be compensated for the harassment caused to her on account of withholding of her family pension. Full stop. এইখিনি বস্তু যিখিনি দিছো তাৰ পিছত লিখা এই issue notice to report কাটি দিয়া in view of the above submissions of the Learned Counsel for the petition, issue notice to the respondents number 4, 5, and 6 at this stage. So, petitioner to take steps for service of notice upon respondent. Steps within. Petitioner. National Bank. Standing Council. Take both. Give him also.
I'll take both.
is that on the last date, you had it, but you did not furnish it. Dubey, your matter is also the same. Happened to the auction. How many technically where is the where is the clause which you purportedly have violated? And you submitted on 15.
And inspection is only to the technically qualified bidders. That your lordship will find at page 29. And auction is 13/10/25. 11 o'clock to 3:30.
Why so delayed approach?
Lordship, we discovered it when they rejected us. On
That is
25th.
on 26th.
25th.
Fifth.
So within 20.
So 20th you submitted.
Yes,
They did not respond.
they did not respond. They only rejected.
There
Lordship,
were vacation benches available.
it was inadvertent. We never imagined we will actually
Yes, what do you
the
say?
wrong document.
Basically, they want time to submit the documents, lordship.
No, it's not a document which was not in existence.
Not in existence, but.
So it was there. So
We didn't discover our own fault. That is there. But lordship, it's auction.
consider her case also. Yes, Mr. Decker.
They had a certificate and did not give them a right to.
Oh, there are subsequent judgments also.
Totally to the contrary.
There are
May I
subsequent
place
judgments.
then? May I place the judgment?
It says the paragraph number
Paragraph 33, Lordship.
Had the certificate, they did not submit on the day also.
Can I read, Lordship?
What is your decision?
Yes, Your Lordship, a division bench of Delhi High Court.
Oh, this is a Supreme Court.
Lordship, I don't have a right, but I'm saying that why should you not, what is the
Para,
prejudice?
para.
Para 42. It's not a certificate. It was an inadvertent, Lordship, the facts are a little different. Lordship, may kindly go to paragraph 11 first. Paragraph 11. Paragraph 11 is at, Lordship has MDC design. Paragraph 11. Page 3.
I got it.
612, the ground for rejection was on 6 so-and-so, the petitioner was informed by respondent 3 that the bids of the petitioners were found ineligible for respondent companies for the reason that name and code of the firm differ in the ESI challans. Paragraph 12, against the rejection, the petitioner company submitted its reply on so-and-so, explaining its stance and providing clarification that the petitioner was not in arrears or default of payment of ESI dues to its employees serving at its head office at Chhattisgarh factory so-and-so. The petitioners also stated ESI challans of past deposits are historical documents which pre-existed at the time of tender opening and could be examined to establish the fact that the petitioners are not in arrears of ESI dues. Since no response was received to the letter, and since the petitioners continue to be treated as illegible, the petitioner filed the present writ petition. Then, Lordship, I'll straight away jump to paragraph 42.
I've read it.
Lordship, 42, Your Lordship is read. Basically, it should keep in mind the purpose of tender is to get maximum participation and not stump bidders of hyper-technical grounds only because the examination of their bids requires some application. So my submission, Lordship, is allowing me to participate is in public interest. Because they've chosen auction. Auction is maximum participation. Particularly on the ground that I inadvertently submitted a wrong document. I can still understand if I did not have the certificate and subsequently I got it. This is a certificate which I have. Lordship, may I take you to page 80?
24/5.
Yes, 24/5. And 24/5 is before 7/8, which is the NIT. So I had it, it was inadvertent. So tomorrow, Your Lordship, let's test it. Tomorrow, supposing in auction, I get the best price. Who loses? The prejudice is to the state and the state exchequer. And that is exactly
The
what.
price is not given.
Lordship?
The price, there is no price
It's
bid here.
auction, Your Lordship.
It's an auction, so it will be an open
Yes, Your
tendering
Lordship.
process.
So auction means this is just a pre-qualification. That's my first point, Your Lordship. It's not like a regular two-stage tender. It's invitation to auction.
Yes,
Why would they
you
not
have one
want-
more.
Yes, why would they not?
This is an historical document. Huh? This is available on record. So why further participant? Maybe that will only increase your value, the competitiveness.
Other genuine applicants who have succeeded, Lordship,
Okay, fine. They also don't have a right. If we find tomorrow that the petitioner had this document inadvertently, if it's a document which is there on record, and it was a document which you could have also verified. You get my point? So what is the point? Because tomorrow, if we allow this writ petition, then the whole process will go for a 6 or a not. So allow her to participate.
upon your Lordship.
Interim, she will participate in the auction process. We are fixing, how long will it take for the 1 day, single day auction?
13th, yes.
13th. We are fixing this matter on 15th. You get us the rates. If she qualifies, we will consider further. If not, that's the end of the matter.
17, Lordship. on
17.
15.
Done.
As
Done.
long as we are allowed to inspect tomorrow and participate on 13th.
That I'll not permit you. That you have lost the, it's still 10th.
No, tomorrow, Your Lordship.
10th, okay.
Yes, yes.
Allow her to participate. Aiva, heard Ms. G. Goswami, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr.
Kakoti.
D. Kakoti, Learned
A Kakoti.
A. Kakoti, Learned Counsel, Standing Counsel, AIDC. Anybody appearing for the government here? Okay, ऊपर लिखा है, heard Mr. G. Pegu, Learned, G. Pegu no hai, B. Diori, Learned Government Advocate appearing for the Learned Government Advocate, and Mr. A. Likisa no hai to? Learned Standing Counsel, AIDC, Assam Industrial Development Corporation. Full stop. Issue notice returnable on 17/10/2025. Mr. B. Dury, Learned Government Advocate, accepts notice on behalf of respondent number 1. Also, Mr. A. Kolita Kakoti, Learned
Number 2 and 3.
Standing Counsel, AIDC, accepts notice on behalf of the respondent number 2 and 3. Also, no formal notice is required to be issued. However, Learned Counsel for the petitioner shall requisite extra copies of the writ petition upon the Standing Counsel, upon the Learned Counsel appearing for the respondents. Full stop. Subpara. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 4 by way of registered post with AD. Full stop. Petitioner is steps within 2 working days. Petitioner is also permitted to take steps for service of notice upon respondent number 4 by way of dusty service. Tarpisar likhiba steps within 2 days. Or to cut steps. So, upon taking of such, upon serving notice upon the respondent number 4 by dusty mode, petitioner to file an affidavit in this connection. So, heard the Learned Counsel for the petitioners on the petition parties for on the prayer of the petitioner for grant of interim relief. Full stop. The Learned Counsel for the petitioner, by referring to the provisions of the, what is it called? NIT.
Auction catalog.
Auction catalog. More particularly, where was that requirement?
Page 44, Your Lordship.
40. More particularly, clause B pertaining to pre-qualification eligibility criteria submits that the bidder is required to furnish, is required to possess a OHSAS certification, and the same was required to be attached along with the bid. Also, the Learned Counsel for the petitioner submits that while submitting the bid of while submitting its bid, the petitioner had inadvertently uploaded a copy of the OHSAS certificate, which had expired in the meanwhile. Also, she submits that the respondent authorities, in view of the submission by the petitioner of an expired OHSAS certificate, proceeded to reject the bid of the petitioner via a mail dated 25/9/2025. Also, the petitioner, on coming to learn that inadvertently the expired OHS certificate, SAS certificate was so uploaded, proceeded via email dated 26/9/2025 to submit the valid OHSAS certificate available with the petitioner. Full stop. However, the same was not considered by the respondent authorities. The Learned Counsel for the petitioner submits that the valid OHS certificate was issued to the petitioner on 24/5/2025, that is before the date of issuance of the auction notice on 7/8/2025, and the same being an historical document, the petitioner's bid ought not to have been rejected on the said ground, and the petitioner was mandated to be given an opportunity to participate in the auction process. Also, the Learned Counsel for the petitioner further submits that the inspection schedule was slated. The Learned Counsel for the petitioner further submits that the detailed auction catalog provides for inspection of the site with effect from 26/9/2025 to 10/10/2025, and the auction is slated to start on 13/10/2025. So accordingly, she submits that the petitioner is within. Accordingly, she submits that there is no delay on the part of the petitioner in approaching this court. Also, per contra, Mr. A. Kotoki, Learned Counsel for the AIDC, submits that the petitioner, having not fulfilled the tender condition, pre-qualification eligibility criteria as set out in the auction notice, the subsequent submission by the petitioner of the valid OHSAS certificate would be of no consequence, and accordingly, the rejection of the bid of the petitioner by the respondents would not mandate an interference from this court. I've heard the Learned Counsel for the parties and also perused the materials available on record. The materials brought on record reveal that admittedly the petitioner herein had, along with the bid submitted by it, not uploaded the valid OHSAS certificate, and accordingly the rejection of the bid of the petitioner by the respondents via the mail dated 25/9/2026 was proper. Also, having noted the said position, this court also notices that the petitioner on the last date of submission of the bid had possessed a valid OHSAS certificate, which was so issued to the petitioner on 24/5/2025, and it was on account of an inadvertence that the said certificate was not uploaded. Also, considering the fact that the auction process is scheduled to be initiated, scheduled to start on 13/10/2025, this court, considering the fact that the petitioner had the valid OHSAS certificate on the last date of submission of its bid, directs the respondent authorities to allow the petitioner to participate in the auction process. So, the petitioner shall also be allowed to carry out the inspection of the site on 10/10/2025 within the time scheduled for the same by the respondents. Full stop. Is there any time schedule for that? On 10/10/2025,
It's actually time
the
scheduled to
petitioner shall
last date.
the petitioner shall proceed to the site and carry out the inspection which shall also be facilitated by the respondents. No further orders, you go make your inspection. First, thereafter, the petitioner shall be allowed to take part in the auction scheduled on 13/10/2025. First, on completion of the auction, the results thereof shall not be declared. Also, without further leave from this court. Also, registry to list this matter on 17/10/2025, on which date the learned counsel for the respondent AIDC shall place before this court in a sealed cover the rates received from the participating bidders in the auction process. Further orders as would be called for in the matter shall be passed basing on the instructions placed on record by the learned counsel for the respondents on the next date of listing. Registry to list this matter again on 17/10/2025.
Obliged.
Now what to do with you? You did not have that.
I did not have.
So we are not.
I'll give you the minutes, Lord. The minutes of the committee which has decided.
Oh, it is done already.
The technical,
Why it was rejected now, that's.
You don't have that. It's not a historical document.
it's not.
Not on the day which we
Miss
submitted.
Goswami, we had to come in because she had that live document with
On
her.
a different footing, Lord.
Ah, you be you're on the back foot or the front foot, but this court is. Yes,
Lord, will consider the nature of the tender they have floated. But there is no fixed amount that has been highlighted. As far as our genuinity is concerned, Lord, we have submitted.
how many qualified?
See. We have submitted a bid of 4 crores.
Have you got it? Have you got the certification
Yes,
now?
my Lord. 3 days later, on 18th, and
So on the last date, you did not have it.
we gave an undertaking, Lord, it is under process. We have not been.
We'll
provided.
consider.
Lordship,
Where is his rejection? Is industrial asset.
208, my Lord.
Lekha. Mr. Dubey, I'm sorry. Next day. Heard Mr. R. Dubey, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. D. Decca, learned Mr. B. Dury, learned counsel for the respondent number 1.
Students are different.
Oh, no, that one's are different.
I'll be one.
Oh, well, one.
opinion of
For respondent number 1 day. For standing counsel, AIDC. Huh?
Yes,
Pura likhi diwa de, Assam Industrial Development Corporation Limited. Issue notice returnable on 17. On 17, same day. We'll consider on 17/10/2025. Huh? Full stop. Mr. E. Decca, learned standing counsel AIDC accepts notice on behalf of the respondent number 1. Full stop. No formal notice is to be issued. However, learned counsel for the petitioner shall furnish extra copy of the writ petition upon Mr. D. Decca within 2 working days from today. So, petitioner to take steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 2 by way of registered post with AD as well as by way of dusty mode. So, steps within 2 days. So, on effecting service upon respondent number 2 by way of dusty note, petitioner to file an affidavit in this connection. Also, heard the learned counsel for the parties on the prayer of the petitioner for interim relief. Also, the bid of the petitioner was rejected by the what do you call this committee? By the Technical Evaluation Committee on the following ground. A to A, my dear. Also, the materials, the submissions of the learned counsel for the petitioner, from the submissions of the learned counsel for the petitioner as well as the materials brought on record, this court finds that on the last date of submission of the bids, admittedly, the petitioner was not in possession of the, what is that certificate?
OHAS.
OHASAS, আগত যে লিখিছিলা, SAS certificate. So, valid OHSAS certificate. The said certificate was admittedly received by the petitioner after the submission of the bids, after the last date of submission of the bids in the matter. Also, in view of the above position, the petitioner not being qualified on the last date of submission of the bid of bids in pursuance to the auction notice in question, this court restrains itself from passing any interim direction in the matter at this stage. Also, the case of the petitioner's grievance would be further considered upon completion of instructions in the matter by Mr. D. Deka, learned counsel for the respondent number 1. Registry to list this matter again on 17/4/2025. So it is provided that the auction process as involved would be subject to the outcome of the present writ petition. That much I'll give you.
It is subject to lordship
What?
participation, not inspection.
I can't pass two different orders on a single.
My case is on the day I obtained, I had furnished on 19th. They took a
See,
I understand.
I can close the petition, but it is a vacation, so I'm not closing it. You also don't have, having before like Ms. Goswami or Mr. Dubey. And I didn't get you.
We have submitted,
And then why was it rejected?
was rejected that
OHS certificate, you did not have it.
I have an
What is the date of your OHS certificate?
time fixed by the rep.
Huh?
Time fixed by the rep.
Where is that cancellation? Mr. Deka, where is that minutes? Your file has come? What is the name of your party? No.
Balaji Lordship.
Balaji still.
তোমাক দিলো নেকি তো? Balaji is a serial number?
Lordship.
This is on a different count altogether. You have not submitted work completion certificate and work progress document as provided by the concerned seller.
All documents were submitted, Lord.
Okay, let your file complete. Mr. Deka, I'm retaining this for something.
Yes, Lordship.
Milo.
I have a copy that could be part of the records.
এইটো নহলে ফটোকপি কৰি দি দিবা ফটো মাৰি কিনে দি দিম Yes.
No, Lordship, I'll just take you to page 52 first.
Why should we come in, Mr. Dev? At this stage?
Because Milord, the notice was received by Milord on Milord 25/9. Milord.
Okay, but the issue is otherwise settled by this court. The land is of the railways. No, not by this court. I'm sorry, by the trial court.
No, Milord, there is an appeal pending, Milord. Against that, Milord, that.
Appeal is not by you. Appeal is by you.
But the entire land, Milord, it is a 50.
What is your right there? You have not filed any appeal against that.
That is true, but
Then
Lordship will kindly see if that is so, Milord. Then Lordship will kindly come to page 54. They are aware of their own lands, Milord. The railway is aware of.
No. Who has filed the? You are Protima Thakuria.
Protima Thakuria. Notice, Milord, here is in the name of.
And Deep Thakuria. Now the RFA is filed by some Jupiter Real Estate.
True.
Fine.
No, Lordship.
What right do you have, Mr.
Okay,
Dey?
Lordship will kindly come to page 54 first then. 54.
Hmm.
Is the first notice.
Hmm.
Pratima Thakuria is the owner of the land.
I'm not on that.
Lordship.
As far as you are concerned,
Lordship.
the declaration by the trial court of the railways being the owner is final.
These things have come, my lord.
It will go either to now, if that Jupiter RFA is allowed, it will be Jupiter's land, not yours.
True, my lord. I'm not on that now, as of now. Lordship will kindly come to page 54 first.
Ah,
This is in the name of Deep Thakur.
go and file an appeal.
No, my lord. Only thing.
Go and file an appeal under the before the district judge.
But my lord, Lordship will is the only thing, my lord, because of the date, my lord. The date of issuance was, my lord, 15. Not 15 days.
Hmm.
Yesterday, my lord. Just protect me for that period, my lord. I will approach. Now, Lordship will see. Lordship will,
You need no protection for that.
no, Lordship will see.
That is a statutory thing. You will have to go.
No, Lordship will only see, my lord. 54 will is issued in the name of Deep Thakuria, my lord. Pratima Thakuria is the owner of the land.
And this is a document which was issued sometime in when? July 24.
No, Lordship will kindly
25.
Lordship will kindly appreciate one thing, my lord.
Ah,
54 Lordship will kindly
Ah,
come, my lord.
ah.
It is in the name of Deep Thakuria.
ah.
Land belongs to Pratima Thakuria,
Hmm.
firstly, my lord. Now, Lordship will kindly come to the schedule.
Hmm.
This is cadastral DAG number 30130.
So it's a very good ground for appeal. Go
But,
for
my
appeal.
lord, I have to have the documents first, my lord.
You were given a notice. After the notice,
Notice,
this
my
was
lord.
done.
Exactly, my lord. Now, Lordship will see next page. I say, my lord, this land, this is not the land. My land is covered under 207 new. Now, Lordship, next.
Whatever it is, Mr. Dey,
Understand, my lord.
have it on Monday. Or if you want the final order, I'm passing the final order today.
Now, Lordship, only thing, I will file an appeal. I'm not saying on that, my lord. Only thing, my lord. See,
I'm not passing any interim order. I'm sorry. After the matter has traveled to this court, to the trial court, then the final thing has come. We are not going to.
the final thing
interfere.
has not come, my lord.
The RFA is not by you.
Not by me,
Then-
because my lord, we are not even parties there. How are we supposed to know, my lord? There is a categorical statement to that effect. We have not even made parties in the either in the suit or earlier writ petitions, my lord. How do we come to know, my lord? There is a land.
Go before the trial court. We are not disturbing this. Or we'll fix it on Monday. Make a try.
Lordship, I'll 52. Just Lordship will come to page 52.
Hmm.
This is a document of 6/1/2025.
Hmm.
It is in the
I
name.
got everything. If there are reasons, you go before the appropriate forum. This order is of
15/9.
15/9. Go before the order.
15 days time was given, my lord.
You
We
go
received
before
it-
you go before the order, before the learned trial, before the district court, district judge. Statutory remedy. Go before this district judge.
Lordship will allow me 7 days time to approach the appropriate authority. In the meantime, my lord, no coercive action, my lord. That protection may be granted, my lord.
You
because-
withdraw this. You withdraw this, I'll give you the
Yes, my
liberty.
lord. That can be done.
Mr. R. Dey, learned counsel for the petitioner. Heard Mr. R. Dey, learned counsel for the petitioner, also Mr. Parasar, Parasar learned standing counsel, learned CGC appearing, learned CGC and Mr. A. Bhachaji, learned standing counsel revenue, appearing for the revenue, full stop. Also heard Ms. D. Das Burman, learned additional senior government advocate. Mr. R. D. learned counsel for the petitioner, after attempting to argue the matter at some length, submits that he be permitted to withdraw the present writ petition with liberty to approach the jurisdictional district judge assailing the order dated 15/9/2025 passed by the estate officer, NF Railway, in eviction case number EO/MLG/347/2025. Also, prayer is not objected to by the learned counsel for the respondents. Also, in view of the submissions made by the learned counsel for the petitioner, the learned petitioner is permitted to withdraw the present writ petition with liberty to approach the jurisdictional district judge Also, such application, the appeal be preferred by the be instituted by the petitioner before the jurisdictional district judge within 7 days from today. Also, for the next 7 days, no coercive action shall be taken against the petitioner in pursuance to the order dated 15/9/2025 passed by the estate officer. So it is provided that in the event the application is not filed within 7 days from today, that is within no 16/10/2025, the interim the protection granted to the petitioner by this order shall stand vacated. Madam, who are you?
My lord, I explained it better one.
The matter is still under consideration. You have not been able to serve a notice. Why should we come in now?
Suit, my lord, there is a challenge.
I'm only concerned with the order 39.
Yes, my lord. That
Why
is
should we come in?
several times notices were issued and then the respondent of 1 and 2 there.
You go for you go make a prayer for substituted. And what happened to the auction process?
Auction, my lord, there is somehow it was deferred into something.
Then.
But again, my lord, during pendency of the title suit, they issued the second auction notice.
That is not here.
Again, a third auction notice may also be. And my lord.
When is the last date? Those materials are not here before us.
Second one is here, my lord.
Page 17. So that is also gone now. So
In my lord, they may issue another auction notice. If the auction is concluded, my lord, completed, then the workers will remain deprived of their lawful wages, my lord, since March. So at least till the
you can only make
decided, my lord.
the symbolic possession of the land under 13(4) surface was taken in pursuance to directions of this court, division bench of this court.
Yes.
So,
Lord, my humble prayer is that, my lord, till the title suit is decided, my lord, at least status quo may be
I'm
maintained,
sorry,
my lord.
you're not passing that order. I'm ready to dismiss your writ petition, but vacations, we'll fix it on Wednesday next. You make your try. On the prayer of Ms. S.B. Chaudhary, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, registered to list this matter again on 15/10/2025 for motion. I'm sorry, Mr. Chaudhary.
Resolution. But in this case, my lord, for the same FIR, one co-accused AB was up by the Honorable Justice Mrs. Wickham, my lord. So, my lord, according to last notification, my lord, matter has to be listed on that. But one difficulty is there, my lord, since while I have mentioning, in the mention memo, I have stated that AB number disposed of by that code name and number also.
Okay, fine.
Rightly, wrongly.
But this is a 90 days thing.
No, substituted case.
Substituted. Oh, then fine.
Under trial case.
It is submitted in the that a bail application, anticipatory bail application arising from the same proceedings has been disposed of by a coordinate bench of this court. Accordingly, the matter would be now required to be listed before the same bench. Registered to verify the said fact of the matter and list the present bail application on Monday? Monday? On Tuesday go idea. Tuesday, huh? Date to Didia.
AB number, I have that AB number.
Suddo. It is there. Suddo 14/9/2025. Huh? 14/10/2020 before the appropriate bench. Huh?
What's the placement?
Yes. What is here? Crime case 2. Both of them have been granted bail, right? And in this matter, the main accused, 3 named FIR accused, have also been released on bail. Why should we?
But other date, my lord, CD was
Got the CD fine.
think for the Monday at least, my lord.
Monday.
They've been behind for more than 10. Lordship. Same offense, Lordship. I'm not FIR named. Same offense, Lordship, same sections. When-
Goswami.
Lordship, kindly see, Lordship, when I have been shown arrested,
Lakhipur.
Lokhipur, yes, it is
Lakhipur.
Gwalpara, Lokhipur.
Are you lucky?
Crime case, you both have been given bail.
Yes, Lordship.
My lord, it's now, my lord, UAPA Act is also there, my lord.
Oh, earlier also it was there.
Earlier also, same sections, Lordship.
10, 13 earlier also crime case. There is no point. And in crime case also, those 3 persons were there.
Yeah.
Same accused.
Yes, Lordship. In. They have annexed
Paying
the
only
orders.
Monday, my lord.
They have annexed all the orders.
I am with you. I am with you.
Yes, Lordship.
There is a indication, my lord, that. My lord, it is.
Why was this matter not listed on 16-9? What happened after that?
25-9, the court was not sitting on. 25-9, Lordship.
It was listed on 25-9.
Yes, yes. I want to submit one thing, Lordship. Page 15, Lordship. Of the FIR, page 15. Tail number 3B, Lordship. Occurrence of offense day. It is Wednesday, 23/7/2025. Tail number 3B, occurrence of offense, it is Wednesday, date 23/7/2025. 23/7, that is date of occurrence. So I have been arrested in initially 27/6.
In the second case, you were shown arrest.
Shown arrest, Lordship, I am in judicial custody in that period, Lordship. The date of occurrence is 23/7, while I was in judicial custody, Lordship.
Earlier, the FIR was against those 3
Even Lordship in here, the place of occurrence.
Nemka, Konak, and 2 Konaks and Nemka. Here, the FIR is against you both. You are named accused.
Directly, my lord.
No, not them. In this, one, can you see the
Where is the FIR?
17, Lordship, the
First case or second case?
first case. The second case, Lordship.
Yasin Ali, sorry.
Yasin Ali.
Yasin Ali is.
Yes, I'm.
They had come now.
Yes, my lord. So. Fire, my lord. Yes,
And
some allegations are very serious.
no custodial. The earlier case all granted bail.
And
Same.
this- Because now this is. They were under.
At the learned counsel for the parties at length. Also, Mr. Goswami, learned additional public prosecutor submits that the case diary could not be produced as the matter was not fixed today, earlier. Full stop. In view of the said submission, registered to list this matter again on Monday for further hearing Also, Mr. Goswami, additional public prosecutor shall invariably produce the case diary on that day. That day I'll give you the bail. Don't worry. Monday. Just wait till Monday.
Colleague start, my lord.
Hmm.
My lord, tomorrow, my lord, yesterday, my lord, the matter came up, my lord. One medical report call for, my lord, from GMC. My lord, that medical report not received because, my lord, because, my lord, case is all of, my lord, Dillai PS, my lord, of Karbi Anglong, my lord. He has written to the, my lord, jail authority. Jail authority has written to the, my lord, GMC. Communication, my lord.
Where is the man now? GMC?
GMC, my lord.
You're in
It's
GMC?
under treatment, my lord, under treatment.
Lady, my lord, here what is it? Well, until
I get an opportunity to hear Mr. Mahajan. Why should I let it go? I'll hear him.
with all respect.
Hmm.
So far as the merit is concerned, my lord,
Forget it.
my lord, one line has to be, because if date has to be possibly given, my lord, because he is seeking it till Monday, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, let it come on Monday, my lord. But let them give another clarification, my lord, on merit and on violation of constitutional rights also I get, my lord. Because 48 by WT message, my lord. Lot of authorities, my lord, Lordship knows more than me, my lord.
That's a statement that you do nothing. I got it.
My lord, with all this, on that,
I'm
they are
here to learn from you.
absolutely. That they have to clarify on Monday, my lord. Again, they will seek time. And the CDR report, my lord. Because on telephonic communication, my lord, nobody would be convicted. Lot of authorities, my lord, keeping the lady a heart pace condition, having heart condition, my lord, would be on medical report. And if possible, my lord, that CDR and their clarification on 48 of highway.
Heard Mr. P. Mahajan, Learned Counsel for the T-shirt. Also heard Mr. B. Sharma, Learned Additional Public Prosecutor appearing for the state. Also, this court had wide order dated 8/10/2025 required the prosecution to furnish before this court a detailed report pertaining to the health condition of the petitioner, who is now presently undergoing treatment at Guwahati Medical College and Hospital. Also, Mr. B. Sharma submits that the said report has not been received by him and prays that the matter be taken up on Monday to DD to Terror 13/10/2025, enabling him to place on record the said medical report. Also, Mr. Mahajan, while not objecting to the said prayer made by the learned additional public prosecutor, submits that the prosecution should also place before this court the instruction of the material, the report pertaining to the status of investigation of the matter, as well as the all detailed analysis report, if so received. Also, Mr. Sharma, learned additional public prosecutor, on the next date of listing, while placing on record the medical report in terms of the order dated 8/10/2025, shall also apprise this court with regard to the materials so far collected against the petitioner in the matter, and shall in this connection place on record a status report from the investigating officer.
And one line be, if possible, my lord, that regarding violation, my lord, 7 accept that WT message, nothing else, my lord. That may be so. Otherwise, they'll again seek time.
48 notice.
48 WT pothaise khali.
Report likha, shall also receive instruction also with regard to the fact as to whether the grounds of arrest were communicated to the petitioner, intimated to the petitioner,
Family members of the petitioner.
family members of the petitioner in the manner as prescribed by law.
Highly obliged, my lord. Obliged, my lord. Obliged. On possibly as 13, my lord.
13/10.
Obliged, my lord.
8, please, your lordship. It's a regular bail, lordship. This petitioner in jail custody for 23 days, lordship. FIR, lordship, will find on page 13, lordship.
Specific allegation 2% recovery from that 2% lordship.
What is the material against him?
Materials regarding from the state purchased.
The purchaser.
Purchased.
What is the quantity?
Intermediate one.
My lord, he's the seller, my lord, and the other person purchased from him, my lord.
From him.
That is the statement lordship, 67 lordship. It is not
Admissible, not yet. received.
admissible lordship. Because
For the
lordship,
investigation purpose.
subsequent-
I'm here only to consider the materials
My lord.
and arrive at a conclusion.
Fine.
NDPS, there is some material of
Fine.
you being.
Fine.
So setting you out, how can I satisfy myself that you will not repeat this offense?
Stringent condition lordship, alternative appearance before the IL, because lordship recovery is not from this petitioner lordship. No seizure from this petitioner lordship. Had it been.
As prayed for by the learned counsel for the petitioner, registered to list this matter again on 14/10/2020. You try, you try, you try, you try, you try. You got my point? You try. A CDB retained till the next date of listing.
Obliged, lordship.
Yes, Mr. Chaudhary.
The last order, my lord. It was fixed on another day, but liberty was given to me, my lord.
Yes, have you got the case diary?
My lord, case they receive, my lord.
What is there?
Just now received, my lord, CD from our office. My lord. Just take with another 8,
No.
Oh,
What do you have to say?
my lord.
Child is recovered.
yes, and I am non, parents already in taken bail given, my lord.
Let him go.
72 days, my lord.
My lord, here, my objection is there, my lord, from the statement of my lord, he is the Zakaria, my lord, he has taken the girl, my lord. And his statement also the girl, my lord, and finally one of the important finally pay is the my lord.
One of the sections attracted in my case, my lord.
93 will not be attracted,
Yeah, attracted.
but the other one would be.
143 trafficking.
143, my lord, trafficking.
Traffic, how it will come at trafficking?
93 is with regard to the parents only.
Yes,
But 143 4
trafficking of child.
Trafficking for-
child,
Kindly-
because if you have done, you were involved in that sale,
What is
it's said
definition,
to
my
be
lord?
a sale.
Yes.
It is said to be a sale of the child to the needy parents. If that be so, trafficking would come in.
Only subject to your losses, my lord. My submission is that, my lord, because the allegation is that this was adopted by the other persons from the parents. And I have intervened.
Facilitated.
So now where is the correction, my lord?
Lordship, my kindly pay is only state.
Right,
my lord.
72 days, I think is enough.
My objection is there, my lord.
78 days, my lord.
78 days. We'll grant it. We'll pass the order.
Satisfaction of CGM Kacharam.
CGM
Hailakande,
Kachar.
my lord.
CGM Kachar.
Hi, Hailakande. GM Hailakande, my lord. Page 17. Forwarding. GM Hailakande.
Done.
Obliged to.
I'll put some condition. If you require him, charge sheet not filed. If you require him, he will come.
Obliged.
My
Nothing.
objection is there.
Yeah, I will vehemently object. Yes, Mr. Soikia, what brings you here on a vacation? 18, 19, subject to outcome of the case, subsequently stayed.
Without any petition.
Get the counsel for the petition.
So there are 3 cases. In one case is already 2 posts are kept vacant. Here also in one case there are 110 and another case 90. If lordship reserves 200 posts also, I have no objection.
We'll do that.
To file objection and.
There is nothing, Mr. That's, I have gone through it.
I have
There is
already-
nothing here to file an objection.
Already on fixed on fair, my lord,
On 14th.
which day, my lord?
Tuesday, the matter would be finally heard.
Yes.
What I propose to do is what Mr.
So that,
Soikia,
and before that, I will file, my lord.
no, what Mr. Soikia has said, we'll keep 200 posts reserved for you, which will be subject to the final orders which will be filed, passed on 14th.
Lord.
My lord, what is my lord happening if it is passing on, my lord?
I'm
with the
protecting
next,
your interest, Mr. Hussain. What more is required? I'm protecting your interest.
There are some other, my lord, materials I have brought in the petition, my lord. Illegal.
Nothing is there.
Total illegality is going on, my lord.
And see, the list that you're projecting is not a final list. It's just a list of PET. Right?
There are another one.
PET,
SC also.
there are two criteria. PET, one, you must qualify 40%, 60%. And thereafter come within the 1:5 range. Your case is that if there are X number of posts and you multiply it with 5, the persons who have been now brought in by the state, it'll be more. It'll be 22,000 has been brought in, it'll be around 26 or something, you say. We'll consider. If you come, we'll consider that.
Not only that, my lord, honesty not 5 maintained. Number 2, my lord, no list is.
Is this a PIL or is it an individual application by you? Is it an individual application by you or a PIL for many others?
The process, well, even those who have passed, I do
The
not
AG has been very fair in saying that this court can reserve 200 posts. What more you want?
their list may also go, my lord. SARC illegality has done in case.
If it goes, it goes.
So that's why, my lord, only for 3 days, my lord, in between, my lord. What is going on, my lord? And my
This is police.
and my lord,
We are not preventing the
my
police.
lord, they have filed it.
One day ahead, if we get the police personnel on
My lord,
road,
my lord,
it'll be better for the state.
my lord, here is not the case is like that, my lord. What happened, my lord? They have published the advertisement in 2023, my lord. They were very slowly going and slowly.
Listen to the order.
My lord, kindly one more submission, my lord.
Mr. Bhuya, you are for the petitioners or there is somebody behind the petitioners also?
But kindly hear.
No, just clarify this aspect.
Behind, how can it be, my lord?
Then you are for the petitioners only?
Yes, my lord.
So the candidates who are before this court, I am protecting their interest by reserving 200 posts for them.
My lord, what my pair will be that, my lord? That, my lord, I have got the copy just now. I've got the copy just now, my lord. I have
There is nothing here to be, just the reiteration of the facts.
There are Supreme Court decisions I may be given sufficient, my lord.
That is for
Opportunity.
merits.
Sufficient opportunity to file.
Okay, let us have the main writ petition then on merits if you want.
My lord,
That I can't hear because it is on 14th.
no, my lord, the thing is that, my lord, I may be allowed to file an objection to it, my lord.
What objection do you want to file
My
here?
lord,
What
your-
is the objectionable
I
material
have not
here?
even gone through the it, my lord. Just I have got it, my lord. So, my
I have
lord,
gone through it.
My lord, what happened, my lord? Your lordship give me only these 3 times, 3 days, my lord. Let it be on taken for before that I will file, my lord. If there is anything in my lord.
Have you published this select list?
Right, we are going to
My
publish
lord,
it.
kindly see the order. Kindly see the order, my lord. My learned friend is, my lord, it is after hearing both the sides.
That is the precisely the reason, because we are appointing for several departments tomorrow. The whole intention is to scuttle the process of appointment. That is why Lordship has rightly said, are there any persons behind? There are some persons
lord,
behind.
my lord,
That is the reason.
My lord,
Lordship is protecting
my lord,
200.
my lord, case is going on since April, my lord. And my lord,
Mr. Yeah.
my lord, there is Supreme Court decision,
Mr.
my lord. Your
Talukdar,
lordship-
I am not
it-
disturbing your, what is the Supreme Court
your
decision?
decision that, my lord, without giving sufficient opportunity of hearing, my lord, your lordship, my lord, cannot.
I am
my lord,
here till 4:15. You make your submissions.
My lord, how can I get it ready, my lord, so urgently, my lord?
Forget this. Why the order should not be modified? What prejudice would be caused to you if 200 posts are reserved for you?
If 200 posts are only, my lord, then what will happen, my lord? We will have to contest again, my lord. They may separate, my lord, on my papers and all these things to defeat us, my lord, because they will take revenge on us, definitely, my lord. And they will,
Oh, Mr. Counsel, that is the final merit argument. Today, it's an interim
once
arrangement.
it is granted, my
Whether
lord,
I should stay the whole
my
process
lord, once
or I should keep your interest protected. Tomorrow, if we find that the whole process is vitiated, we will set it aside.
To vitiate, once they are granted, my lord, the appointment given, my lord, we have
I'm providing for
we
that.
have to give the
I am providing for that. I'm providing for that.
my
Don't
lord,
worry.
we have to give the notice to all, my lord. It will take years, my lord.
I'm providing for that. I'll provide for that also. You will not be in the appointment order. They will, with bold letters, say this is subject to the outcome of this
In
case.
fact, that order is already there in one of the judicial orders.
But,
Already there.
We'll reiterate that.
my lord,
The election process should not be hanged up like this.
my lord, because totally illegal done it is, my lord.
Okay.
It's totally illegal, my lord.
Okay.
Your lordship, till no list is published, till date, no one knows how XYZ has got, my lord, selected.
Tonight
Nobody
it will be.
It's a good
No,
case on merits. You have a very good case on merits. Come back on merits.
53% reservation, my lord.
The state is not here before us on merits. It's only on the thing of convenience.
It's reservation, it's perhaps a 62%. Can it be, my lord? In there any law, my lord?
I don't know.
No law, my lord. This, the last decision, the 24 of the Supreme Court.
Because whatever I could find in the, from your pleadings, what I could read is only with regard to the cutoff marks.
No, my lord. I have consolidated list, not published.
And this
But
order is
I-
passed in all the three writ petitions.
Two repetitions.
In
which
one
one,
case,
which one?
already there is reserved for 2 posts.
Which one?
That order also I like to give. 2 posts are reserved.
Which are the cases where the interim order is passed and which are the IAs? Mr. Nath?
See 190.
WPC 1902 2025. IA number?
A number,
Second one? Same day order,
same day order, mara same,
20.
Kindly have the look at the Supreme Court constitutional decision, my lord. Kindly have a look. my lord.
And in Dipankar Kolita, 3172. Okay.
In 2 posts is reserved in one case. That is WPC 1802. 1802-2025, Durga Katalil and another, and Debojiti Urao. In this order dated 4/4/2025.
You have a copy of that order?
Yes, Lordship.
of the repetition,
It is a part of the writ petition. Lordship will find that writ petition is
3172.
3172,
WPC 3172.
page 218.
Lord, I have given a Supreme Court decision. Kindly have a look at this, my lord.
I'll have a look. Don't worry. Page number?
218. Relevant portion 219, the first paragraph, second paragraph. Having regard to the facts and circumstances of the case, it is hereby provided that 2 posts of constable under the
218. 21?
218. Lordship may also check 209 and 10. $215. There are 3 page numbers.
219, 1819, yes.
1819. 19 Lordship will get that part.
Okay. And this
Subject to
order
appeal
is
also.
passed
On 24/9, the order which I am praying for modification. 25/9.
Well, kindly have a look. Hearing both the sides. my lord. Hearing both the sides said that no select list is prepared till now. my lord. Suddenly what happened, I don't know. That's why just immediately after reopening, it was fixed, my lord.
But Mr. D. Sakya, Learned Advocate General, assisted by Mr. Dina, Learned
Kindly
Senior
will look where
Government
the
Advocate
judgment
for
we
the
got,
Assam.
kindly.
Where is the judgment? So,
Para 44, my lord. I have given copy that just now, my lord. So I, many opportunity to file, my lord. And see constitutional judgment, my lord. Para 44, kindly have a look.
From yesterday, the copy was avoided, Lordship.
Also heard Mr. A.K. Talukdar, learned counsel, appearing for the IAT Maripade, IAC 328525 and AC 3284 2025 serial code number. For the applicants, heard Mr. Desaikia Inat for learned government advocate for the applicants and Mr. A.K. Talukdar, learned counsel, appearing for the opposite parties. How many petitioners are there in the two cases?
One case 110, the other case 90.
Also, the state has instituted the present interlocutory applications praying for modification of the order dated 25/9/2025 passed by this court in WPC number 32 WPC number 1902/2025 and WPC number 3172/2025. Also, the order as passed being relevant is extracted here below. This court wide the order dated extraction court wide order dated 25/9/2025 had directed that the state shall not effect any appointment against the post advertised wide advertisement dated 6/10/2023 till 14/10/2025. Further, the state had also this court had also provided that an endeavor would be made for final hearing and disposal of the said above noted writ petitions on 14/10/2025. Full stop. The state, by filing the present interlocutory application, has projected that the selection process is complete and the select list would be published. And the select list is ready for publication. However, in view of the directions passed by this court, wide order dated 25/9/2025 in the above noted writ petitions, the process has been kept in abeyance, and accordingly, the state has instituted the present interlocutory application praying for modification of the directions as passed by this court wide order dated 25/9/2025. Also, Mr. D. Saikia, learned Advocate General, appearing for the state, has at the outset submitted that while the state may be permitted to take the selection process to its logical conclusion and effect appointments against the advertised post, the state undertakes not to fill up 200 posts of constables as involved in the advertisement dated put up for recruitment while the advertisement dated 6/10/2023 till the final disposal of the above noted two writ petitions. Also, Mr. A.K. Talukdar, learned counsel for the opposite parties, has vehemently opposed to the said prayer. Also, he submits that the matter being now placed for final disposal on 14/10/2025, this court would be pleased not to modify the directions passed by this court pass wide order dated 25/9/2025 in the above noted two writ petition. I have heard the learned counsel for the parties. In view of the submissions made by the learned Advocate General that the state
Time may be granted, that may be recorded, my lord.
that I've said, just listen to my order, that the state would keep 200 posts reserved for the petitioners in WPC number 1902/2025 and WPC 3172/2025 till disposal of the said writ petitions out of the post so advertised, wide the advertisement dated 6/10/2023, this court finds that the interest of the petitioners in WPC number Ekbar Maidibar 1902/2025 and WPC number 3172/2025 stands protected. Also, in view of the above position, the directions passed by this court-wide order dated 25/9/2025 stands modified to the extent that the state shall not fill up 200 posts of constables out of the posts put up for recruitment, while the advertisement dated 6/10/2023. First up, the state would be at liberty to proceed with the to publish the select list as well as effect appointments against the remaining posts. First up, however, the state, while issuing appointment order, shall may make it apparent that the appointments would be subject to the outcome of the proceedings in WPC number 1902/2025, WPC number 3172/2025, and one more,
Last one, I'm giving.
and
1802/2025.
and 1802/2025. With the above observations and directions, the interlocutory application stands disposed of. What?
That I have not got the copy just now. I have not give. I paid for the opportunity for making submission, and the citation may kindly be recorded.
It's already recorded, your submissions. If there is something you can show up.
Sir, it may be reflected, my lord. Kindly.
A writ petitioner likha, as directed earlier, registry to list this matters again on 14/10/2025.
Highly obliged, Lord.
My lord, my
Mr. Talukdar,
Sir, party
you're
will say,
not
my lord, party will say
understanding.
I have not made submission properly, my lord. That's why, my lord, make.
No, see, there is
I
no
have to answer that.
prejudice cost to
I have to
you.
answer, my lord. Only
You have
to
no
record.
prejudice is cost
My
to
lord,
you.
only to record, my lord, that I have made
Okay.
submission this.
Mr. Upar Likhijana, Mr. A.K. Talukdar vehemently objects
I have no
to
copy
the
of opportunity, my lord.
consideration of the present
Sufficient time
interlocutory
not given.
application on the ground that the copy was served upon him today only.
Lordship,
Today only. He submits that the matter be not taken up today and be adjourned to another and be adjourned
Till
and
14, my
fixed
lord.
and till 14/10/2025. Mr. Saikia, learned Advocate General on instruction submit that the copy was attempted to be served
on
upon
7th.
Huh?
Day before yesterday, we attempted.
on 7th
Yesterday, today.
7 attempted to be served was attempted to be served upon the Learned Council for the petitioner with effect from 7/10/2025. However, the same
I was
was
out of station, my lord.
same was not received by the petitioner. For sub be that as it may,
I was
be
out of
that
station,
as
my
it
lord.
may,
Kindly may be recorded. I out of station.
considering
What was I
the
received, my lord?
submissions made by Mr. D. Saikia, that the state undertakes to reserve 200 posts of constables out of the posts put up for recruitment, while the advertisement dated 6/10/2023, this court proceeds to consider the present interlocutory application in spite of the objections raised by Mr. A.K. Talukdar in the matter by noticing that the modification would not cause any prejudice to the interest of the petitioner.
Highly obliged.
I was out of station. Allegation is recorded, my lord. But answer is not there. I was out of station.
You
my
take that ground that you made a submission that this court refused to record
lord.
that.
That is
You take that ground. The recruitment process should not be.
I have said on the last day that this station is not done. Today is everything.
That maybe
they are taking time.
some misunderstanding.
Once, my lord.
Okay,
Suddenly they have raised, my lord.
okay. Next.
70.
Listening it.
My lord, in this case, up to the CD was called for, my lord, probably not.
We have received, my lord. It was since it is not up to date, so we have sent it back, my lord. So I am praying, my lord, subject to convenience of my learned friend, my lord, on my 22nd, my lord. 23rd, my lord.
Pending, my lord, since long back on that.
Heard Mr. A.K. Azad, learned
Azad.
counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. Goswami, learned additional public prosecutor appearing for the state. So Mr. Goswami submits that the case diary received was not up to date, and accordingly the same was returned to the investigating officer. So he prays that the matter be taken upon too long.
Because, my lord, 1 week after that, 2-3
This
days.
order is of 16-9. Today, the 25-9, 25-9, unfortunately, the court did not sit.
Yes, my lord.
So let us have it on 16th. You get it on 16th.
17, my lord.
16. On 16, 10/2025. Full stop. On the next date of listing, an up-to-date case diary shall be placed before this court by the learned additional public prosecutor. 16. The order কোনে লৈছিল? প্ৰতিবাদ মাতি দিয়া। তাই মাৰিছে চাগে এইটো। এক similar order হ'ব এইটো মাতি দিয়া। তুমি যোৱা তাক মাতি দিয়া। Yes, Mr. Roy.
Matter is similar.
How? Where is the rejection order?
Page 109.
No, 109 is something else.
Page
108.
108.
Yes, Mr. Roy, where is your material to show that this is perverse?
Come to A.
First, where is the requirement in the tender pertaining to this condition?
Page Page 84, Lordship. First is audit balance sheet for 3 years, complied it. Part letter, delivery order.
So two is with satisfactory completion certificate. This you have not, they say this you have not fulfilled.
Given.
Where?
And your Lordship, the copy of the registration history I have given.
Also self-assessed copy of seller's safety terms and condition. Where is that?
That also we have.
OHS said safety.
Safety is.
So 2 and 3 you did not qualify, according to them. According to them.
According to them.
Then where is that document that you had submitted?
Certificate page 109. Last
109.
The charge from the relevant portion is your Lordship, page 113. The certificate of the registration, page SS Lordship, and stated at the, just in the middle portion, your Lordship will find 26th of July 24, valid up to 27th. This we have furnished.
Where did you furnish? Where is that
When the
statement?
documents were uploaded. It
Where-
was uploaded on 13/9/25.
Okay, where is your statement to that effect?
Paratel.
Page 99, the document
Para
submitted by
10.
him. Page
How many numbers of documents were submitted?
So safety certificate, according to you, he has submitted this.
rejection.
Hmm. There are two grounds of rejection.
Counts Lordship.
Hmm.
First ground is work completion certificate.
Not provided.
He has not provided. Second one is Lordship, self.
Yes, what do you say about the
copies.
first one? Work completion certificate?
For completion certificate, I have any lordship, may you please to come. One work was allotted to me for demolition and removal of,
Hmm.
that was for rupees
Hmm. What is the minimum required here in this
100,
bit?
100 crore.
100 crore.
Yes,
So
yes.
123 crores you had done.
Yes.
Where is that?
That your
Continuing.
lordship will find it.
Page 86 Lordship.
Page 86 is the CS certificate lordship.
Hmm.
Here the certify that Balaji Estates having that the period of execution started from 5/4 to each order numbers Balaji Estates on lifted materials of 100 all safety and technical what which was then your lordship the next page lordship page 87. This is the letter issued by the Liverpool lordship. Clearly the middle in the box your lordship.
Okay, where is the condition in the tender in this connection?
Page 84.
No. That is the documents required. With
70
regard to the satisfaction, 71.
Qualification
Criteria.
criteria Lordship.
Just a moment. So as of 25/8/2025, 100 crores minus tax has to be received. Right?
Had executed the work and paid the.
And the certificate that you have just now shown me
Yes, sir.
is at page 86. So as on last date of submission was no 26/9. No, 15/9.
59.
Last date of submission of bids.
I
So it is
submitted-
not the same site as the earlier one. Same one.
Yes,
Submission is 15/9. 15.9, okay. So, Mr. Roy, page 86, you have done 180 crores. What is the tax component involved here?
So everything I have paid, I have annexed.
No, minus tax, it should be 100 crores. Show me that.
Is not the one of the ground for the rejection.
They say that the work completion certificate.
Work completion certificate issued by the CA of the firm, Lordship.
This should be awarded. Bidder should have experience in so and so should be completed. In this regard, letter and bank statement or undertaking from seller should be provided. So from the seller, a certificate is required, not from your CA. Where is that?
With a bid document, Lordship.
Where is the document from the seller?
Page 86.
86 is from your CA.
It has other documents also. It is
Okay.
in series.
Okay.
Eighty-six is the CA certificate, then your Lordship may come to please 87. The letter issued by the.
Work order. Delivery order.
Yes, delivery order, the
Hmm.
goods were delivered, we had paid the amount and the delivery order was passed by the MSTC.
This is not with regard to the completion or the work doing. This is just the delivery order. Where is that?
A delivery order, Lordship, when the work order, work will
You
be
come to this. Delivery order is, you mean to say this is the final order?
It is the final order, Lordship.
Cannot be.
Lordship, without doing the work and.
You
without
come to
paying-
page 88. See the date there. 21/12/23.
Page 88, that is Lordship,
Start date
15/3/24. These are the
15
documents related to.
15/3/24. Okay, 15/3/24.
15/3/24, these are the documents relating to the work executed by the petitioner in of NTPC thermal project in Muzaffarpur, Bihar.
Is this the same thing with page 86?
Page 86. Page 86, yes, Lordship. This
Same
is,
one.
Page 86 is a CA certificate in relation to the execution of the work of NTPC thermal Muzaffarpur, Bihar.
This is that page 88, the same work.
Yes, yes, yes.
Huh? So if you say this is of 15/3/2024, that you have completed the work,
Yes, we have completed, lifted the material.
then you come
let's
to page
document-
86. Come to page 86. If this is 123 crores work,
Yes.
you come to page 83, last paragraph,
83.
86, sorry.
83 last that Balaji.
On 3/9/25
Already.
has dismantled and satisfactorily lifted materials of value so and so. So you have not completed the work.
Completed until how delivery order was issued to me, Lordship.
Sorry, Mr.
No, Lordship, may please to, and that is not the ground, one of the ground for the
Okay, I'm
rejection.
trying to satisfy myself that the document was there. This is not the document.
The Lordship may be pleased to come to the. Lordship may come to page 87. Page 87. Your
87.
Lordship. This is the letter dated 16/11/24. STC Limited, respect of the,
This is an amendment.
this is an amendment, Your Honor.
Nothing that does not show that the work is complete till as of 16/11/24. Then you have 88.
Lordship, be pleased to consider that is not the ground while rejecting the bid of the petitioner, Lordship. Your Lordship, may be pleased to come to page 84, Lordship. What are the requirements, Lordship? Page 84. Page 84. CS balance sheet we have submitted. Award letter delivery, earlier experience of the similar nature that we had complied with. Oasis safety certificate we have
Okay.
submitted, Lordship.
Yes, Mr. Kut-
Not given the self-attested copy of first condition your lordship has.
a second order to Asilja. But Mr. SP Roy, learned counsel. Mr. A. Kotoki.
Kakoti.
Huh?
Kakoti.
Kakoti, sorry. Kakoti, my body. A learned counsel appearing for the
Lordship, may please to.
respondent number, for the standing counsel AIDC limited page
Page 89 now.
89.
Is the letter dated 15/3/24, page 88. And then the next page, Lordship. The buyer has made payment favoring seller directly to a seller account on receipt of the same in seller account has been confirmed by the seller by their email dated so and so. Delivery shall be effected only placement of the DD, your lordship. So this also shows that the work was completed, lordship, because lordship, where the complete in PWD manual, lordship, there are clauses.
Okay, I accept your plea. Come to page 89. It should be 100 crores. This is only 49 crores.
Is the remaining amount to be payable. Work was executed for 123.
Then if it is, this is the amount that is to be payable, that means you have not done 100 crores. 123 minus 49 will be
to
below.
consider until and unless the amount is full.
We'll see.
Whether the goods should be allowed to
We'll
be
see.
taken.
Issue
out
notice
to the
returnable on 17/10/2025. Also, Mr. A, Learned Standing Counsel, AIDC accepts notice on behalf of respondent number 1 and 2. Respondent number 3, Agonista, by way of registered post with AD and as well as second case of judicial. Also, the Learned Counsel for the petitioner has prayed for an interim direction. Accordingly, the Learned Counsel for the parties were heard at length. Also, the bid of the petitioner was rejected by the respondents on the following ground. Page to Maila to A to A. Page 3. Also, Mr. Roy, Senior Counsel appearing for the petitioner, has, by referring to the documents brought on record in the writ petition, submitted that the petitioner had submitted all the had uploaded all the requisite documents in terms of the auction notice and had thereafter also submitted the hard copies thereof in terms of a mail, in terms of a requirement made of the petitioner by the respondent authorities. Also,
Mr. Lordship, please come.
99, yes, I've seen that. That is what I have referred now. 999, 90.
0 also. 0, your Lord. This is the sales order issued by the NTPC. Clearly shows please to accept your stated upper MSD is arranged to lift the material after depositing the requisite amount.
Okay, we'll see.
So I was allowed to lift the material.
Hard
Until
copies.
the work is completed.
However, in spite of the said position, the respondent authorities had held the bid of the petitioner to be
Next page, Lordship,
non-responsive.
92. So full amount was paid. 1 crore 100.
Mr. Roy, these are all correspondence. That means you have completed the work on 5/4. You have completed the work on 5/4. Now come back to your certificate. Your CS certificate. Your CS says that as of 25, you have only received 1 crore 8 lakhs.
Ultimately, Lordship, I have paid.
Ultimately, this is your certificate. Why should I go And this certificate is issued on 4/9/2025. Mr. Roy,
Depositing
the-
the amount.
we will not. These are tender matters. Post up. The said submission of Mr. Roy is vehemently opposed, is disputed by Mr. A. Kotoki, learned counsel appearing, learned standing counsel, AIDC. Also, upon hearing the learned counsel for the parties, this court finds that the finds from the materials brought on record by the petitioner, a prima facie satisfaction cannot be drawn by this court that the petitioner had fulfilled the requisite tender conditions while submitting its bid in the matter. First, in view of the above position, this court restrains itself from passing any interim directions at this stage. First, Mr. A. Kotoki, learned counsel for the respondents, shall, on the next date of listing, apprise this court with regard to the documents actually uploaded by the petitioner along with his tenders. First up, the auction sale, if finalized, in the meanwhile, would be subject to further orders that would be passed by this court on the next date of listing, that is on 17/10/2025. I've already said not to complete the, in another case, I have asked them to
Yeah,
complete the
second
process,
Item 8.
not to do it. So on 17th, we are fixing it. Let us see what happens. Let us have that instruction, then we'll pass the orders.
Participate in the bid.
No, I have not allowed Mr. Dubey also on the same ground not to.
Case was entirely different. He submitted the document.
We'll see, Mr. Roy. If you have been denied, there is ways and means to do it. Yes, next. Yes, Mr. Deka.
Here is my lord, non-issuance of the site inspection certificate. My lord. The requirement as per clause 7 of the
Your tender is notice is of 2/9.
my NIT, my lord. NIT is of 19/9/2025, my lord. Page 24.
No, that is a corrigan.
Yes, my lord. Respect of the work in question.
Okay, fine. Detail notice and, oh, sorry, detail notice is 19/9.
Yes, ma'am. Detail notice on 19/9.
Ah,
The name of work lordship will find here, my lord. Next page.
last
20
date is?
Next date is 13/10/2025.
No. Bid submission date?
Page 25, my lord. Detail number 8,
13/10.
13/10 up to same date at 2:30. That have considered all the eligibility, my lord. Lordship will find clause 7. Site visit. As per clause 7.1, if lordship comes to the second paragraph, the sentence starts on the bidder shall obtain a mandatory site visit certificate with verification.
Means I can idea.
The bidder shall obtain a mandatory site visit certificate with verification from concerned engineer authenticating his visit to the site of work and submit the same along with the bid. An essential requirement, my lord. My lord, at page 31 onwards, my lord, we have repeatedly filed applications before the engineer, my lord, that is executive to kindly issue that certificate. And at page 34, we have given the photographs also, my lord. Yes, photographs for his. My lord, has not been issued till date, my lord. In fact, our representatives have visited the office, my lord.
Yes, Mr.
My lord, there is in a similar, the same department, same respondent number 3, issue crept out before this honorable court, and this honorable court at page number, my lord, 45, in a batch of writ petition was pleased to dispose of the writ petitions by respondent number 3 to issue. It's 52, my lord, will direction. Same, my lord, same issue, same PWD roads department, same executive.
Very good. Yes, Mr. Not, why this is not being signed? Same thing here. He has visited the site.
Number 3, directed to countersign. I have visited this. (31, 25, 9, 25). Kindly see the next. There also nothing has been stated. And kindly see the next F. C10. Same thing. Time is available. 5. Yes, that means at 10:26.
Okay, the last date is till 13/10.
13:10.
So he will approach you today. Where is the executive engineer?
Dispute memoria, my lord, extensive writing.
Okay. Heard Mr. R.M. Learned Counsel for the petition, also heard Mr. D. Nath Learned, Standing Counsel, Public Works Road Department, appearing for the Public Works Force. Issue notice returnable on 15/10/2025. So, Mr. Nath accepts notice on behalf of all the respondents. So, no formal notice be issued. However, extra copies of the writ petition be furnished by the Learned Counsel for the petitioner to the Learned Counsel appearing for the respondents. So, considering the nature of the dispute raised in the present proceedings, this court requires the petitioner to approach the respondent number 3 with an application there is a format, I suppose.
By this format, my lord,
Entire
To approach the
page number 50.
to approach the respondent number 3, that is the executive engineer, Public Works Road Department, with the site visit certificate and requisite other documents, including photographs, and request for his counter signature. Also, on such approach being made by the petitioner, the respondent number 3 shall countersign the site visit certificate, and within today is 9, within 10/10/2025, enabling the petitioner to submit his bids in the matter on or before 13/10/2025. The Learned Counsel for the parties shall apprise this court on the next date of listing about the developments taking place in the matter. Also, raised to list this matter again on 15/10/2025. You approach him today, we are uploading the order.
Yes,
You will have it within 1 hour.
my lord.
By tomorrow, you give him that certificate. Whatever documents, I
Yes,
said,
yes,
whatever
yes.
documents.
Yes.
Because Mr. Decca, we have found in one case, the documents where that was photographs that were given, because I was very harsh on the first day with the Learned Council for the respondents. That why? Because by the time the tender process had taken place, then instructions were sought for the instruction. Mr. Chaudhary had, B. Chaudhary, he had brought and showed me that the photographs that were given and the person's photograph was there was of some other place, not of the site. That also happens.
Particular clause indicate